According to a 49-page federal indictment unsealed on Friday afternoon, Donald Trump took classified documents including information on nuclear weapons in the US and secret plans to attack a foreign country. The former US president, alongside a military valet, now faces a sweeping 37-count felony indictment related to the mishandling of classified documents. It is being reported that Trump took nuclear documents out of the White House. The charges against him said that upon leaving the White House in January of 2021, Trump took with him boxes of classified documents, including information regarding US nuclear capabilities as well as those of a foreign country. One classified document from June 2020 contained information concerning nuclear capabilities of a foreign country. Investigators found another undated document concerning nuclear weaponry of the United States. Reports said that Trump stored classified documents in the shower, among other places. The former president stored boxes of classified documents in various locations at Mar-a-Lago, including an office space, his bedroom, a storage room, a bathroom, a ballroom, and in the shower, according to the unsealed indictment. According to reports, on 5th April of 2021, a Trump employee texted a colleague to ask whether boxes in the business center could be moved to make room for staff to use it as an office. After that text exchange, some boxes containing documents were moved from the business center to a bathroom and shower in a space at the Mar-a-Lago club known as the Lake Room. Trump's valet, Walter Nauta, was indicted alongside his former boss for conspiring to hide classified documents from attorneys searching for them. Nauta faces 6 federal charges, including concealing evidence and conspiracy to obstruct justice. According to the indictment, Trump directed Nauta, who is currently a personal aide to the former president, to move boxes containing documents in order to hide them from his attorneys, the FBI, and a grand jury. When questioned under oath, Nauta said that he was unaware that Trump held on to boxes with classified documents. Reports said that in July of 2021, Trump shared unauthorized information about his desire as president to attack a certain country and a classified conversation with a senior military official during an interview with an unnamed writer and their publisher. The indictment suggests when lawyers for Trump met with him to discuss how to respond to a May 2022 subpoena seeking documents marked as classified at Mar-a-Lago, Trump allegedly suggested that they should tell the Justice Department that they had no materials that needed to be turned over.